Are you looking for the best ceiling fans for Bluetooth? In this video we will look at some of the best ceiling fans for Bluetooth on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DewShrimp Bladeless Ceiling Fan. The DewShrimp Bladeless Ceiling Fan is a low-profile enclosed fan with top cover that is safe and quiet for kids' rooms and loft beds. It has Bluetooth speakers that allow you to connect to your mobile phone and play music, and a memory mode that retains the last color temperature and brightness settings. It has 6 reversible speeds for year-round use, and the light and intensity can be adjusted through the remote control or the app. The fan is easy to install and comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime service support. Number 2. BAYSQUIRREL Bluetooth Ceiling Fan with Speaker. BAYSQUIRREL Bluetooth Ceiling Fan is a modern and stylish ceiling fan with a retractable design and built-in Bluetooth speaker. The fan comes with 85 colorful lighting effects that can be controlled through the app, allowing you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature of the LED light through the app as well. The fan has 6 speeds and can rotate in both forward and reverse directions, making it suitable for use in any season. You can also enjoy 3D stereo surround music with the Bluetooth speaker, which is perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The included remote control allows you to control the fan speed and LED light switching with ease. BAYSQUIRREL Bluetooth Ceiling Fan is easy to install and comes with a 60-day return or exchange service and a 1-year parts replacement service. Number 3. NUTCRUST Bluetooth Ceiling Fan and Speaker. The NUTCRUST Bluetooth Ceiling Fan with light and speaker is a versatile smart ceiling fan that offers a range of features. The Bluetooth speaker provides 3D stereo surround music, while the 85 kinds of colored light can be changed through the app. The retractable ceiling fan offers 6 fan speeds and 2 rotation modes, and the timing functions of the fan and light can be controlled independently through the app or remote control. The product comes with a manual and installation video, and offers return or exchange service within 60 days and a 2-year parts replacement service. Number 4. Ceiling Fan with Bluetooth Speaker and App Control. This 42-inch modern retractable ceiling fan with lights and Bluetooth speaker features automatic retractable fan blades, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and app control. The iLink app allows you to adjust the light color, brightness, and music timing, as well as set a 1-button night light mode and 12 light changing modes with music. With remote control, you can also adjust the 6 wind speeds and white neutral warm lighting, and set an automatic timer for 1/2/4 hours. The quiet reversible ceiling fan uses a stable and low noise pure copper coil motor. Number 5. Ceiling Fan with Lights, Bluetooth Speaker, and Remote Control. The retractable ceiling fan with lights, Bluetooth speaker, and remote control is a 3-in-1 chandelier fan that combines lighting, music, and air circulation. This fan features reversible rotation airflow, a built-in Bluetooth music player, timing function, and remote control dimming. The fan's easy installation and sleek design make it the perfect addition to any home decor. Number 6. RGB Bluetooth Bladeless Ceiling Fan Light. The Co-Costa LED RGB Bluetooth Bladeless Ceiling Fan Light is a modern and multifunctional fan that comes with invisible acrylic fan blades, 3 light color changes, 7 color rainbow light, and a Bluetooth speaker. It has multiple control options, including wall switch, remote control, and app smart control. The fan is suitable for different scenarios, and its safe and quiet design makes it perfect for children's rooms and low ceiling spaces. Number 7. TCFUNDY 22 inches Ceiling Fan with Light and Bluetooth Speaker. TCFUNDY 22 inches Ceiling Fan with Light and Bluetooth Speaker is a modern 3-inch-1 design, combining LED lights, fan, and Bluetooth speaker. The dimmable LED lights provide 3 color temperature options and brightness adjustment through remote control or app. The ceiling fan has 6 levels of fan speed and reversible blades for summer and winter use, creating a quiet and comfortable environment. The semi-flush mount design makes it easy to install and suitable for various indoor spaces.